Hey, welcome to another episode of Diycarmodz. My name is Jeff, and today I have a product review, installation, and demo of the new LED bulbs from Auxbeam. This is their new GT series LED headlight bulbs. Alright, so here is a close-up of the LED bulb. Each bulb is rated at 45 watts at 4500 lumen. The color is 6500K. It is using CREE LED technology. So there's one on this side, one on the opposite side. This comes in a aluminum housing. The O-ring is rubber. The chuck is adjustable. They do provide you with a Allen key that you can put into the hole, which is located right there. Just turn it counterclockwise and you're able to adjust the chuck. It does come with a fan in the back, so there might be some fan noise. And it does come with the external LED driver. And so you just line up the two little connectors together. And that's it. Very simple to do. And then on the opposite end will be your socket that you plug into your stock wire harness for your headlight or fog light. Alright, so installation shouldn't take you more than about 15 minutes to do both sides. First, go ahead and locate your low beam and remove your stock halogen bulb. Press the black tab on the wire harness and turn it counterclockwise to remove the bulb. Take the LED and insert it into the headlight housing. But you see those three little metal tabs right there? It has to correspond with the cutout on the headlight housing. So put it in there and twist the bulbs around until the tabs are seated in the cutout, like that. So you want to push down and then turn it clockwise. Next, take the plug from your LED bulb and insert it into the stock wire harness. So you see one side has a little tab, the other side doesn't. The side with the tab goes on the top right here. So it goes on top of this cutout right there. Now, before we tidy up any of the wires or work on the other side, verify that this side works. Turn on the headlights. And there you go, as you can see, it's on. Alright, the passenger side is swapped out to this new Auxbeam LED. Driver side is still stock. As you can see, the color difference, the passenger side is white and the driver side is off-white. Here is the LED cutoff. It's about 2.5 cars to the left and to the right. I'm parked well over 40 feet away from that wall. Alright, here's a cutoff. Really nothing different compared to other Auxbeam LEDs. It does look a little bit brighter compared to the other ones. This one does have a little hump on each side for the left LED and the right LED, and you can go ahead and adjust that base to flatten this out a little bit. And here is the nighttime demo. Alright, so that was a product review of this new LED bulb from Auxbeam. This is the GT series. I'll have the product link in the description below, so go check it out. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, where I do free monthly giveaways for my YouTube subscribers. As always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.